clearing and grubbing, you can actually drop a lot of trees pretty fast. What you want to do to make life easier is, after you get a sufficient amount on the ground, back your truck, tractor, or either haul the stuff off by dragging to the pile, or you're going to pile it, chip it, or burn it. And right now I got about 3 small trees down. I'm going to go ahead and load that in the truck, take it on over to the debris pile, and then I'll commence cutting again. As you can see now, we've completed the clearing and cutting all the trees and brush here. We've also removed logs and other debris from the stream channels. We're going to pan and give you kind of a view here. You'll see that we removed all the debris that had the orange markings on it. What we're going to do next is improve the channels. We're going to cut the basins in it for the pipe to lay in. And then after that, we'll begin backfilling with different kinds of rocks. Before we start work, we're going to go through the different type of rock material you can use. And we'll give you a close-up on this to show you how muddy the area is. We're going to use various types of rock, including riprap, ballast rock, and 57 stone, so we can get up out of the water. With these rock products, it's not necessary to compact them in order to have traffic go over it like it would be with dirt or ABC stone. And we're going to cut real quick over to the truck and show you some material produced for this purpose, and some other material that we got off of various construction jobs that can be used in lieu of the quarry bought material.